Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video I will be unboxing the Kokoist nails, and I will be unboxing what I have inside. This is what I got to you. That will be in a different video, but then again, this is the items that I will be making and selling on my website. So this is just an unboxing business press-on nails that I will be making. If you guys don't know what Kokoist is, it is a Japanese brand from Japan, and they have some items from America or USA. So they don't have all of them, but every now and then new products will be showing. So what I had ordered is a bunch of stuff that you will see here. So that is just the packing slip of what I ordered. And then first off, you will see the booklet. It actually explains and tells you what's in their website, so you can actually grab what you want. So they have a lot of different varieties and a lot of different colors you can choose from, and they're really neat and pretty. So this is my first time using all these, so I will definitely do a review on how everything is. And these are all the brushes. I actually got these for Labor Day weekend, and they were actually 20% off. So I had such a really good deal, and I was super excited. I believe I bought this and I had 2 extra free brushes. So I will definitely show you all the tools that I got.
Just stay tight, we have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me.
And I actually forgot, if you buy a whole set of brushes, they actually give you this palette for free. This palette actually mixes all the colors, so you can actually blend it in. It's kind of like art, where you actually blend it in and draw in a canvas or in a very professional photograph. And this is for the brush holder. So these are the 2 items if you actually get the whole brushes set. So I will be showing you the nails. I actually got 5 of these and I was missing one of them, so I ordered another one. So stay tuned for the next video of the Kokoist unboxing video that will be coming up soon, shortly. So stay tuned for that. So these are over long, and then I will definitely show you the rest of them.